specialize in electro-hydraulics. So we are the only U.S. manufacturer of tactical breaching hydraulic. These tools are designed specifically by tactical teams for tactical teams. With that being said, this is our 4th generation of this product. We've been making them for over 10 years now, or over 5 years now. At the heart of this system is a 10,000 PSI electro-hydraulic pump. Basically, we have the fastest retraction on the market, which is really important for multiple breach scenarios. If you think about like a vestibule door in a commercial facility, and then you've got the apartment door or whatever behind it, you can breach multiple sets of doors very quickly. So everything's very linear, very controllable, so you can reset your tools. So say you're going on target with your 11-inch door pusher, but you may have a chain gate or something you're going to need to cut through. These integrate right in. They have a small amount of retention, so if you try to take it out and not go linearly, so if you pull it straight out, it comes out nice and easy. If it gets stuck on something or try to go out that way, it doesn't until you go